songs are 100 years old. That's the problem. Nobody knows what they are. I know what each song is. Because I've worked on it for so long. But I know what they are. It's okay, say hi. Yeah. And if you want to get pictures, please do so now. Okay, because I'm not going to be here all day. Okay? If you want pictures with him, he'll get on your shoulder. You can hold him. Which you'll never get the opportunity again. This is a great opportunity. Yeah. Although getting in to sit still a minute might be tough.
Who's out? What's that?
It's not loose, it's fine.
Oh, go ahead. I'm sorry. You got one of these.
Yes, they eat everything pretty much, and if they don't eat it, they'll throw it. They may, but they eat fruits, nuts, vegetables, insects, meat, potatoes. There's almost anything that they don't eat. They like.
Do you like monkeys, Mr. Hudnick?
Yeah.
Do you like monkeys?
They don't like them. They don't
Not
eat.
particularly. No, but I just like them. You know, and I think it's the first time I saw them, I'm like, wow, I've seen it on TV.
You're reading something on your tray, and you decide you don't want it. You just press aside.
Spider-Man.
They do the same kind of thing. They're better here.
Do you have a long time?
You're fine where you are, right there.
Yeah.
He's always doing fine. And I tell you, I've been doing this for 44 years, and no one I've seen as nice as this. Even though he has his moments, he's really an excellent animal with people. Monkey. Not dogs or cats or anything else. I'm talking just the monkey. Turn your head a little bit towards the camera.
Towards the camera, Christine.
Yeah, don't be nervous. He won't fall, believe me.
That's what I'm afraid of.
Yeah, no, he won't fall. The fact is, he will leave you soon. He don't stay long.
No.
Yes, yeah. And, yes, he does. And don't get carried away. You can't take her home. Yeah. I know. He's really a dog.
Oscar.
Yes.
I did that. Yeah.
Yeah,
He likes your perfume.
Yeah, I don't know about perfume, but he can't hurt you, though sometimes he acts like he's going to be tough, because he has no front teeth. He came from Las Vegas, and they took them all out. I can't believe it. Now, he has a couple of molars in the back, but he still eats everything. It's amazing. But I would never approve of that. But in the old days, that's what they did, and the old timers, that's what they can't take a chance. Like I worked at Showboat Casino for 7 years, and if I had an accident there, he bit somebody, I'm in trouble. I'm not working. That's all. Real simple. And the money was good. It was a nice job for a long time. And he'd say, yeah. Is it warm in here too? Yeah, I feel it. I take your jacket off. Yeah, the jacket makes you.
So he likes it cool.
Yeah, well, you see, they are wild man. They're not used to just sitting in the sun or being uncomfortable. If they're uncomfortable, they climb a tree. Well, 50, 100 feet is a nice breeze and a shade.
He's American now.
Huh?
He's American now.
Yeah, he's American. He's American monkey. Yeah.
Well, how old is he now? I didn't
He's
know.
only going to be 7. He's young.
Oh, he's young. He's a baby.
Hey, buddy. What's he doing?
He's really very good. I never seen one that's just remarkable with people. And I've had a handful, and they've all been okay, but not as nice as he is. But then again, he doesn't do 32 tricks either. I don't know what he does yet. Still learning. I need to learn a few tricks. And if the organ grinder was alive, it could tell you, then you know. Then it would be easy. But since now it's still a guess.
Did you have to remove his front teeth, or
Huh?
did you have to remove his front teeth?
I didn't. They did.
Oh, they did.
Yeah, they did that. All organ grinders in the old days removed them all.
Your other ones don't, though. They have
No,
that.
my other ones don't. I got one home that's got teeth. That's why a lot of times I don't always bring her. If I'm doing something where I'm not up close and personal, I can use her. She's wonderful. Hey, say hi.
Where you going?
Oh, he likes it. You don't like to sit still too long.
Does he have molars? Does he have
In the
molars?
back. He's got 2 in the far back around. That's how he
I
eats.
think he liked us because we were here for veggies.
Yeah, say hi.
But I didn't smell the
Alicia,
food.
Alicia wants to go pet, like this, like you're petting me.
Yeah.
And you got
He's like,